We're talking about heaters today. For heaters, if you're ordering your first one, or say you have one that you're needing to replace, a few things to consider. You want to consider cubic footage coverage, type of heater, which you can get electric, gas, or wood burning heater. Another consideration is aesthetics. Some people don't really care too much about aesthetics, they really just want performance. For performance, we lean more towards Harvia heaters. For aesthetics, we lean more towards HUUM. Key benefit of working with us is we work directly with the manufacturer, HUUM and Harvia. So if you have an issue with either product, troubleshooting questions, anything, we're here to help. We keep both of these heaters in stock here. We have a great relationship with both partners, and we import directly from each manufacturer. All right, the last thing we're going to touch on is control preferences. We have three options. We have manual controls with the turn knobs on the heater. We have mechanical controls, which is on the outside wall of the sauna. It's more popular with gyms and commercial settings. And we also have digital control with Wi-Fi. But more on that later. We'll break that down in another video.